Morning students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is determinants. If we have some element like A, B, C, D and these four elements are arranged in equal number of row and equal number of column between two vertical bar, that is called determinants. Next, how to evaluate this determinants? Every determinants evaluated in a single unit. A into D minus B into C. It means AD minus BC. This is the value of this determinants. Like another example, 2, 3, minus 4, 5. The value of this determinants 5 to the 10 minus negative 4 into 3. So 10 negative into negative, positive, 4 3 is 12. It means value of this determinant equal to 22. Of determinants of 3 order. You order 3. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the determinants of order 3. How to evaluate these determinants in single unit? Firstly, हम लोगों को ये समझना है कि माइनर एंड कोफैक्टर क्या है. व्हाट इज माइनर एंड कोफैक्टर? Minors is the subdeterminants obtained by deleting the row and column in which the element lies. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the determinants of order 3. Minor of 2. So minor of 2, it means M1, it means first row and second column. So M1, 2 equal to value of minor of 2 equal to 4, 6, 7, 9. Minor is the subdeterminants obtained after the deleting row and column in which the element lies. So 4 9 36 and 7 6 42, so equal to negative 6. Another example, minor of 9. Minor of 9. Third row and third column, it means M33 equal to 1, 2, 4, 5. So 1 into 5, 5 or 4 to the 8 equal to negative 3. This is the way to find minor. Next, cofactor. Cofactor of any element is obtained by Aij equal to negative 1 का power I plus j into minor of that element. I and j are the row and column in which element lies. For example, a determinants. This is the determinants of order 3. Cofactor of 6. Cofactor of 6. 6 is the element of second row and third column. Second row and third column equal to -1 का power I plus j, it means 2 plus 3 into minor of that element. A minor of that element, minor of 6 is 1 2 7 8. 1 2 7 8 equal to -1 का power 5 into 1 into 8 8 minus 14. अब -1 power an odd number equal to negative into -6, तो equal to 6. तो cofactor of 6, that is the element of second row and third column, will be 6. How to evaluate this determinants, that is order 3 determinants? We can expand a determinants respected to any row or any column. If we expand in respect to first row, that is 1 2 3, the value of this determinants equal to 1 into cofactor of 1 plus 2 into cofactor of 2 plus 3 into cofactor of 3. तो 1 into cofactor of 1, तो 1 into -1 का power 1 plus 1, since 1 is the element of first row and first column, into minor of 1, that is 4 5 6 8 9, plus 2 into cofactor of 2, तो 2 into -1 का power 2 is the element of first row and second column, it means 1 plus 2 into minor of 2 4 6 7 9 plus 3 into cofactor of 3, तो 3 into cofactor of 3 is the element of first row and third column, so -1 का power 1 plus 3 into minor of 3, that is 4 5 7 8. Understood? 1 into -1 का power 2, it means 1. 5 into 9 45 minus 8 6 48 plus 2 into -1 का power 3, it means -1 into 4 9 36 minus 7 6 42 plus 3 into -1 का power 4, it means 1 into 4 8 32 minus 7 5 35. तो 1 into -3 equal to -3, -2 into -6 plus 3 into -3, तो -3 plus 12 minus 9, तो -12 and +12. So the value of these determinants will be 0. That is the way to evaluate a determinants in single unit. Let us see the application of determinants to finding the area of a triangle. Area of triangle, you know very well in coordinate geometry, a triangle have 3 vertices, A, B, C. The coordinate of A is 2, 3, coordinate of B 4, -5, and the coordinate of C is given 0, 3. First, area of triangle. How to find the area of triangle by using determinants? Area of triangle equal to mod of half determinants x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Here x1 y1 is the coordinate of one vertex, x2 y2 is the coordinate of second vertex, and x3 y3 is the coordinate of third vertex. Area of triangle equal to mod of half x1 y1, it means 2 3 1, x2 y2 4 negative 5 1, and x3 y3 0 3 and 1. So value of the area of triangle equal to half into the value of this determinants, half multiplied by the value of this determinants. 2 into expanding any row along any row or any column, the 2 into cofactor of 2, that is 5 minus 5 into 1 minus 3 plus negative 3 into 4 into 0, 4 minus 0 plus 1 into 4 3 is 12 minus 0. So half 2 into negative 8 minus 3 into 4, it means 12 plus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 cancel, 16. So equal to area equal to half into negative 16. 2 8 ja, so negative 8, but absolute value will be taken equal to 8 square unit. Assignment related to this topic will be uploaded to the school website. Thank you, students.